So once you add team members to your account, you can now start creating tasks for your project. So we go over to your project dashboard. We're going to want to click on create task. So you're going to have two options. You see the single task and the bulk task, which I will cover in a later video. So here we can select a designation. We could assign one of our team members. We're going to name this test. We want to select a due date. Description, you could describe the task in more detail. Embed video, this is an area where you can embed an iframe, whether it's YouTube, Vimeo, or any type of video outlet. You can embed any type of video training or any documentation videos in this area for the task. Attachment, you can add same thing, files, format like PDFs. You could add anything in this area, and you could select a blank spreadsheet if you want to start a task from scratch and add information on the go, or you could simply select one of my preloaded templates by selecting choose template. And you'll see if you click on any of these categories, you'll have a drop down list of all templates that are built in Nucleus. So for this one, we'll just select Google Property Stack template, import, and then we'll go ahead and create the task. So if we go ahead and click on that task card, you can see that we have a fully functional workstation where your team member can work out of. And this increases the productivity because they don't have to leave Project Nucleus to track information that they're building. So in this instance, they'll just work out of here, add whatever information as they go. Now, your description will be filled out with whatever you added upon creating the task, and then you also have a video embed here if you decided to add an embed. With each template that I provide you guys that are built in Nucleus, I also have training. So if you click on this video icon, you'll see that there's a video pop-up and it goes into more detail how to implement this strategy. And this is good for anyone looking to get more familiar with some strategies, or even it's good for team members that may not know how to implement the strategy, and they'll have a nice walkthrough on how to do it. You'll also notice there's a comment box, and this is where you can communicate exclusively with your team members. In a later video, I'll show you how we can add customers to each task and projects, and you can communicate with customers as well. So this is actually really productive. It keeps communication very minimal, so you don't have to rely on phone calls and email all the time. Customers can now log in to Project Nucleus, see the workflow, and they could get instant updates and also communicate with you whenever they want to.